China Railway 14th Bureau Group Company Limited was the previous 4th division of the PLA Railway Engineering Corps. Living through China's War of Liberation and Korean War, they built unbreakable transportation line bearing with bullets and explosives, making meritorious military service for the establishment of the People's Republic of China and the peace of human. In 1984, it was incorporated into the Ministry of Railways. In 2001, it was transformed into a state-owned enterprise group. Now it is listed in Fortune Global 500, a backbone and leading enterprise under China Railway Construction Corporation. CRCC14 is highly qualified. The group and subsidiary possesses 5 special grade qualifications which allow us to undertake the general contracting and the project manager of various projects such as railway, highway, housing construction, municipal engineering, mining, water conservancy, and hydropower, and port and waterway. It is a modern enterprise group with a perfect industrial chain and a foreign operation right. The registered capital of the group is 3.11 billion RMB. It has 14 subsidiaries and 13 regional offices. There are more than 9,000 professional technicians and more than 5,500 sets of mechanical equipment with a total value of 6.5 billion RMB. The value of annual construction capacity is more than 60 billion RMB, and the same of the contracted tasks are more than 100 billion RMB. Our businesses cover 31 provinces, municipalities, autonomous regions, and special administrative regions of Hong Kong and Macau in China, and more than 20 countries and regions in the world. On August 30, 2002, the highest bridge of Qinghai-Tibet Railway, the super-large bridge of Sancha-He River, was officially completed. CRCC14 has successfully challenged that zone and solved many world-class difficulties, renewed a series of world records since then. CRCC14 is also the main force in China's railway construction. They have successfully participated in the construction of more than 90 major railway lines with a total length of more than 5,000 kilometers, including Beijing-Kowloon Railway, Beijing-Tianjin Intercity Railway, Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway, Shanghai-Kunming Passenger Dedicated Railway, Baoji-Lanzhou Passenger Dedicated Railway, Shijiazhuang-Jinan Passenger Dedicated Railway, and Lunan High-Speed Railway. In the Suzhou East Station section of Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway, the speed of CRH train reached 486.1 kilometers per hour, which updated the world's highest speed for railway operation tests. CRCC14 was among the first batch of large state-owned enterprises who participated in construction of China's expressways. They have successfully participated in the construction of more than 360 expressways, national trunk lines, and urban roads, such as Jinan-Qingdao Expressway, Linyungang Kyrgyz Expressway, with a total length of over 4,000 kilometers. CRCC14 participated in construction of bridges across China and built over 150 viaducts, super-large bridges, and large overpasses, among which Jiaozhou Bay was crossed twice and Yellow River was crossed for 6 times. Meantime, CRCC14 is a major driving force of China's tunnel construction. The total through mileage of tunnel has reached over 1,000 kilometers. The Wutongshan Tunnel in Shenzhen, Zijiangang Road, Jipu Road Tunnel in Hangzhou, underground works of Youth Olympic Axis in Nanjing were awarded with Luban Prize. In addition, CRCC14 also leads the rail transit construction in China. They participated in construction of metro and light rail in 37 cities including Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Nanjing. The total mileage of construction reaches over 200 kilometers, therefore opening the 3 core markets of Beijing, Tianjin-Hebei region, Yangtze River Delta region, and the Pearl River Delta region and gradually forming the strategic layout of 3 core areas, 2 lines in 1 zone. CRCC14 has built a number of largest, deepest, most dangerous, most complex and difficult metro projects, repeatedly breaking the national records and establishing new standards. CRCC14 is striving for the shield tunneling of super-large diameter and underwater tunnel construction technologies as core competitiveness. They established the first mega shield construction engineering and built many major projects across rivers, lakes, sea and cities, including the first tunnel of Yangtze River, Nanjing Yangtze River Tunnel, the first tunnel of the Yellow River, Jinan Yellow River Tunnel, Sutong GIL integrated pipe gallery with the highest voltage level and the largest transmission capacity in the world. It dominates the half of China's large shield construction market. Those projects have been awarded the National Science and Technology Progress Award and the State Technological Invention Award for many times. It represents the highest construction level of China's and even the world's shield tunneling of super-large diameter. CRCC14's businesses cover many construction market areas. They have built more than 200 high-rise buildings with a total floor area of over 5.5 million square meters. They also successfully participated in the development and construction of large hydropower stations in the river basin of Minjiang River, Yalong River, and Jinsha River, and participated in the construction of over 20 airports such as Beijing Capital International Airport, Shanghai Pudong International Airport, Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport, and Hangzhou Jianqiao Airport. Entering a new era, CRCC14 adheres to improve the quality and efficiency and promote the transformation and upgrading of enterprise. It focuses on developing the domestic construction, investment, and characteristic operation and overseas businesses. The industrial structure is becoming more and more reasonable, and the advantages of professional development stand out. CRCC14 has independently operated 25 capital operation projects covering fields of large shield tunneling, high-speed railway, underground pipe gallery, and resettlement housing construction. The advantages lie in the surveying and mapping field. It has more than 10 special qualifications of inspection and surveying and mapping, and is the only inspection organization that has a Grade A comprehensive qualification for inspection of highway works in the railway system. The PC component production line, CRCC14, established was identified as the first industrial base of assembled buildings by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development. CRCC14 insists on stable operation and high-quality management for the real estate section. It has invested in the construction of Yingtai Jiayuan International City, Shangyu Guandi, and No. 1 Longmu Bay in Jinan, Qingdao, Tai'an, Nanjing, Taiyuan, and Hainan, with annual development capacity of more than 1 million square meters. CRCC14 is a 3A enterprise identified by China International Contractors Association. Since 2003, it has been marching into the construction markets of more than 20 countries, undertaking over 70 projects with a total contract value of 50 billion RMB, and successfully completed a number of key projects related to national economy and the people's livelihood, such as the Niger Second Bridge, Afghanistan Hospital, Confucius Institute in Angola, National Armed Police Force APF Academy in Nepal. It was highly praised by the heads of state and government of more than 10 countries, which has laid a solid foundation for the establishment of the business pattern of Grand Overseas. CRCC14 possesses National Recognized Enterprise Technology Center and a postdoctoral workstation. It won National Science and Technology Progress Award, State Technological Invention Award, and 40 prizes such as Gold Prize for National High-Quality Projects, Tianyou Jam Civil Engineering Prize, and Luban Prize. It has been granted with over 400 national patents and dozens of international-level management and scientific and technological achievements. It also won the honorary titles of National Excellent Construction Enterprise, National Advanced Enterprise in Scientific and Technological Progress and Technological Innovation, and National Civilized Organization. The party and state leaders Xi Jinping, Jiang Zemin, Hu Jintao, Wen Jiabao, and Wang Qishan have visited the projects of Beijing Metro, Nanjing Yangtze River Tunnel, and Qinghai-Tibet Railway that CRCC14 participated in. In the afternoon of February 8, 2013, the President Xi Jinping came to the construction site of Beijing Metro Line 8, visiting the frontline employees who stuck to their posts during the festival and expressing high expectations for our work. We strive to lead the development of global construction and create the miracle of human stream. Bearing the glory and dream of 15,000 employees, CRCC14 is firmly marching towards the great goal of leading China's construction industry and becoming the most competitive large construction group in the world.